so indecisive? Why you gotta be, yeah. I just wanna stop all the fighting. And you don't know what you want. And you don't know what you're fighting for. And baby, you're the one, the only one that I adore.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are working with Wiggins hair, and they sent me this lovely loose deep wave unit. It is 22 inches long, and yeah, let's just get started. It looks like this at the bottom so far. So far what I've done to the wig is I have bleached the knots on the frontal. I have plucked it a bit more. It did come like pre-plucked, but I just plucked it a little bit more. I'm probably going to go in and pluck it a bit more as well. And I put foundation on the lace. That is pretty much all I have done so far. So I'm about to install it right now. And yeah, stay tuned and we'll watch the process.
I remember back then I couldn't get no love. Fuck love, had to go and get my funds up. Stack two, all my money runs up. Pray keeps on coming in abundance. This temptation causing me all of this complication. Coming like a fed with the interrogation. No coming with no hesitation, no hesitation.
Yo, do or die, it's coming from a feeling inside. I've always got my two steppers like I'm Bonnie and Clyde. How you worry about a moment, it will pass in the time. Let me take up the time, and I'll take you tonight. Seen a little bit of loving and she's all in her mind. It's so easy to get caught up when you're loving the vibe, and I'm loving the vibe. Take a moment and then we can make a toast. When you're ready we can head down to mine. Breaking bread with the guys, been a while but my people know I'm solid. From the days that we've been on our grind, put it all on the line. Was a boy when I saw my first stack, but I didn't even think it was mine. It came easy but that wasn't an achievement. I've really put in work and then I speak it how I see it, how I seen it. You already know. Now I got these people dancing through the stereo, tryna get this paper. I say fuck a hater, only making time when it's Lizzie or a main one. Telling me you ain't one. I seen all the fake love, cutting all these ties. When it's money can't complain, no.
Yeah, I can't relate, I can't be fucking with the fake ones. Chasing off the backs, if I don't get it then I make one. Fingers to the haters, know my vibe is contagious. Popping to the music, know the streams are bringing paper. No one's gonna stop me till I got it. Coming from the bottom, trying to make a hit until it's raining from the bottle. Foot on full throttle, keep your circle smooth so you know who really got it. So I say, fuck love, I just want loyalty. You'll be lucky to get more from me.
Tryna get this paper, I say fuck a hater, only making time when it's Lizzie or a me.
I remember back then I couldn't get no love. Fuck love, had to go and get my funds up. Stack two, all my money runs up. Pray keeps on coming in abundance. This temptation causing me all of this complication. Coming like a fed with the interrogation. No coming with no hesitation, no hesitation. I remember back then I couldn't get no love. Fuck love, had to go and get my funds up. Stack two, all my money runs up. Pray keeps on coming in abundance. This temptation causing me all of this complication. Coming like a fed with the interrogation. No coming with no hesitation, no hesitation.
Yo, do or die, it's coming from a feeling inside. I've always got my two steppers like I'm Bonnie and Clyde. How you worry about a moment, it will pass in the time. Let me take up the time, and I'll take you tonight.
Okay, can I just say that I love this wig band melt. Like, it's actually really cute, and like already it's a lot more comfortable than like a normal melt band. Like these ones, mine's a bit of a mess, but it's a lot more comfortable with this one. So I feel like I could probably sleep with this one. Like, it's so comfortable, like it doesn't feel too tight, but I know it's still like secure in my lace. So shout out to Wiggins hair, because this is my new fave. Honestly, I actually like it. But okay,
Only making time when it's Lizzie or a main one. Telling me you ain't one. I seen all the fake love. Cutting all these ties when it's money, can't complain, no.
Yeah, I can't relate, I can't be fucking with the fake ones. Chasing off the backs, if I don't get it, then I make one. Fingers to the haters, know my vibe is contagious. Popping to the music, know the streams are bringing paper. No one's gonna stop me till I got it. Coming from the bottom, trying to make a hit until it's raining from the bottle. Foot on full throttle, keep your circle smooth so you know who really got it. So I say, fuck love, I just want loyalty. You'll be lucky to get more from me.
Tryna get this paper, I say fuck a hater. Only making time when it's Lizzie or a me.
I remember back then I couldn't get no love. Fuck love, had to go and get my funds up. Stack two, all my money runs up. Pray it keeps on coming in abundance. This temptation causing me all of this complication. Coming like a fed with the interrogation. No coming with no hesitation, no hesitation.
This maybe I'm trying so hard not to burn myself because I have a tendency to
I remember back then I couldn't get no love. Fuck love, had to go and get my funds up. Stack two, all my money runs up. Pray it keeps on coming in abundance. This temptation causing me all of this complication. Coming like a fed with the interrogation. No coming with no hesitation, no hesitation.
Yo, do or die, it's coming from a feeling inside. I've always got my two-steppers like I'm Bonnie and Clyde. How you worry about a moment, it will pass in the time. Let me take up the
So I'm just spraying my head with water and conditioner just to kind of revive its natural texture. I don't want it like too wet looking, so I'm not going to put too much. I kind of just scrunch it just so the curls can, you know, make sure.
I've really put in work and then I speak it how I see it. How I seen it. You already know. Now I got these people dancing through the stereo. Tryna get this paper, I say fuck a hater. Only making time when it's Lizzie or a main one. Telling me you ain't one. I seen all the fake love. Cutting all these ties when it's money, can't complain, no.
Yeah, I can't relate, I can't be fucking with the fake ones. Chasing off the backs, if I don't get it, then I make one. Fingers to the haters, know my vibe is contagious. Popping to the music, know the streams are bringing paper. No one's gonna stop me till I got it. Coming from the bottom, trying to make a hit until it's raining from the bottle. Foot on full throttle, keep your circle smooth so you know who really got it. So I say, fuck love, I just want loyalty. You'll be lucky to get more from me.
Okay guys, and this is literally the finished look of the hair. We got some baby hairs, all cute. This is how long the hair is. This hair is 22 inches, so it stops below my waist. So this is what the hair was looking like when I was done. I literally love the texture of this hair. Like, I literally was wearing it throughout my whole summer. I'm gonna try and add some videos of me wearing it. I love the texture of it. It was just such a pretty loose wave, and it was just so nice. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.